Good morning, children. Today we will learn about subtraction. Now, what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away or removing objects from a group. In subtraction, we take numbers or objects away. If we are asked to remove 2 from 5, we need to subtract to find out how many are left. How do we write the subtraction number sentence? Suppose we have to subtract 3 from 7. The subtraction number sentence will be 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. We use the sign of minus and equal to write the number sentence for subtraction. And what is the answer called? The answer is called the difference. Here 4 is the difference. Now whenever we do subtraction, we come across these terms. Taken away, left, how many more than, how many more are needed, remained, difference and given away. Children, you know how to add on number line. Today you will learn how to subtract using a number line. Suppose we have to subtract 6 from 10 and the answer is 4. How do we do it on number line? We start from 10, but unlike addition, we take the leap backward, that is leftward. We will start from 10 and take the back leap. How many times? 6 times, and see where do we reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we reached 4. So 4 is the difference. Properties of subtraction. Property 1. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Like 6 minus 0 is 6. Property 2. If we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 7 minus 7 is 0. Always look for the sign of minus, more on top and less below. Let's do one question on subtraction without regrouping. That is a subtraction sum in which we don't need to regroup ones to tens.
Let's see how to subtract without regrouping. So children, as the word suggests, without regrouping means we don't need to regroup the numbers in the ones column to the tens column. We will simply subtract the number at the bottom from the number at the top. So let's start with the ones column. What is 8 minus 4? How do we do that? We know that subtraction means removing or taking away the objects. So let's take out 8 in hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to remove 4. So let's remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 4 is left. So we write 4 in the ones column. Now similarly we will subtract 2 from 7 in the tens column. This is 7. We have to remove how many? 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 5 is left. So we write 5 in the tens column. So this is the simple way to subtract without regrouping.
Let's subtract 62 from 85. 85 is 8 tens and 5 ones, and 62 is 6 tens and 2 ones. Let's remove 2 ones from 5 ones, and we are left with 3. We write 3 in the ones column. Now we have to remove 6 tens from 8 tens. And what are we left with? We are left with only 2 tens, which we write in the tens column. So the difference of 85 and 62 is 23. So the question of the day is, how many more beads? We have to find out the answers of two questions. First, how many more beads does Sonu have than Arif? And question 2, how many more beads does Arif have than Razia? Do these two questions given on page number 95 which are the subtraction sums without regrouping. In our next class, we will learn how to subtract with regrouping. Happy learning!